Oh, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. What is up, guys? Matt Paolini here, and happy Sunday. And yesterday, I got my giveaway package from Ringside Collectibles. I won on the Survivor Series giveaway on Facebook. So here we go with the unboxing with the package. I try to open this. They really taped it real good. Now let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Here we go. I know what I won, so here we go. It is. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on, guys. Here we go. We have is figure arts. The Undertaker, the Dead Man. Pretty cool. Here's the back of it. We have is Stone Cold Steve Austin said so. And we have the time to put Kane. It's Kane. It's gotta be Kane. We have Kane. That's right. I have If You Smell What the Rock is Cooking. And last but not least, one of my favorite ones is Time to Play the Game. Triple H. And that's about it, guys, from this giveaway that I got off of Facebook as the winner of Ringside Collectibles. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya, and happy Sunday.